Do you know you can make a lot of money off the internet just by selling products that belong to others? Yeah, I know you're probably wondering, isn't this affiliate marketing? Well, the truth is that this is not affiliate marketing. This is a simple business model whereby you pick products that you personally don't even own and then just resell them for profit. And I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how this actually works. So if you are new to this channel, hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I actually focus on anything that will make you and I money through content creation and any other means. So if you find this helpful, help me do a YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. Now with this already said, let's get straight into today's video. Let me give you a breakdown of this process, how you can actually make money by selling things that totally don't belong to you, that you actually don't even own. So let's get straight into today's video. So hello guys, now that we're on my screen, let's get straight. Let me share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually use this strategy to make money just by selling other people's products. Now the first thing you need to do is that you need to find a product. When it comes to this method, now a lot of you might have tried this strategy in different ways before, but then you end up not generating sales. Now the truth is that what you were implementing the wrong strategy by using the wrong method to find a product. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best way to actually find the best selling product so that you also hop on them. So now in order to find the best selling product, what you simply do is that what you come over to some website that I'm going to share with you right now. The first website is known as Browse Ads, and then the second website here is known as Glimpse. So let me just enable it here. So the second website here is known as Glimpse. Now these are the two websites that you can actually use to look for products to sell. Now let me show you how you can actually use this website to find the best selling products to sell. Now when you come over to Minia ads, what they simply do is that what they show you some of the best performing ads that people are currently running on in the system. So you also look into them and then look at the product they are selling and try to emulate that. And to do that, here is how you simply do it. Once you come over to the platform, you can select Facebook, EU Spy, which is specific Euro Spy, Pinterest, TikTok, and all of the rest. So for this tutorial, let me stick with Facebook. Now after this, let me just clear up all the filters from here. Now once you clear up all the filters, the next thing I want to do is I simply click on where it says recent dropshipping. Now once you click on recent dropshipping, now it will show you some specific products that are currently performing well lately. And you can see this one is between for the past 1 month period. So I normally set mine to 1 month. So you can see between the previous 1 month period, those are the products that is actually going to show you. Now you want to see the products that are performing well for the past 1 month. Now after this, the next thing you need to do is that over here you need to select your target audience. So you need to set your age here, so you can set the age limit. So for me personally, I like targeting adults, which is people around the age of 25 and above. So because those people don't just come and search product for no reason. So I'll just say 25 and then there is no max. So I'll just say apply. Now after this, next off you can also set the gender if you want. And for me, I'm not going to set the gender. And then next up, you can also select the country. So in my case, you can see here they are showing me things globally. So you can also select the country that you want to actually do that from. So for example, let me say I'm going with the United States. I'm just picking that as an example. You can keep it as global if you want to target global. Now once you look into United States, look at the product that are actually performing well within that particular state. And then you go and get this product from a store that I'm going to share with you also. So like I can see here are all the ads that are performing well. They arrange them in accordance of their performance on social media. So now let's take a look at a product here. So now here is a tablet. Now what you can simply do is that what once you see this tablet, you can see that tablets are top selling. That's why this website is recommending them here. Now one thing this website does is that it's also going to give you related ones. Now you don't have to pick this particular tablet. You don't have to go get this particular tablet to actually start selling. No, what you simply have to do is that since you've seen that what tablet is among the top selling, the next thing is that we come over to an online store. For example, you come over to place like Amazon or AliExpress or wherever platform are there. Now you simply search for kids. So for instance, let me go for kids tablet. You can see it's even among the top searches here for kids. Now you see you have this particular one here. So for example, let me go with this particular one here. So now you simply select that particular product. So, now, for example, now I just set my location to United States, and you see it here. And now you are going to see the price of the product. Now, after this, you also need to check the delivery fee and all of that to make sure that everything is well sorted. So now you can simply hit on add to cart now or buy now to go see the final product. But for this tutorial purpose, I'm picking this tablet here and I'm taking this price, which is $110. So it's 19.999. So I'll just say $110. And then you can see the delivery information here. So here is the delivery fee. Delivery fee is 11.98. Now you add it up to it, so that will be $123 in total for the product, both delivery and everything. Now next up, you look through here and then save all the images and then copy all this information that has to do with the product. Now we are done with the step number 1 of finding the product. Now we can move on to the step number 2. Now the step number 1 says what? Finding the product you want. And the step number 2 here simply says now we have to plan our promotion. Now next up is simply your promotional method. Now when it comes to your promotional method, there are 2 ways in which you can actually promote the product, because you need to promote the product to actually get buyers. So in that scenario, you ask yourself which method is best to you. So there are 2 main methods. One of them is simply by creating a website and then driving traffic to that website, and secondly is by running ads through social media. So personally, if you have enough money that is enough for you to set up a website, I advise you set up a website like I did. So here is my own website. Let me show it to you. So here's my own website I'm currently working on, where I'll be selling more gadget related stuff, because my niche is more about gadget content creation and all of that. So I'll be working more on that. So now let me go back over there. Now you can use this website. In the case of website, you simply add a product to your website, add the same information, everything, and then the pricing is what we are going to talk about in the point number 3, how you are going to make profit from it. So now, for example, you set up your website and then you run social media ads directly to your website. People will order this product on your website, and then you take their order information and then you go order this product for them on Amazon or wherever place whereby you spot the product. Now this is very important. Make sure that what you go order this product for these people themselves. So when the delivery date reach, the product will be delivered to them straight ahead. Now the second method is that what you simply run social media ads directly. Down the people will contact you on WhatsApp that they want this product, and then you answer their delivery information and all of that. Then you order this product straight up to them. You make sure that what your delivery date matches with the delivery date that is listed on the website. Now there are some cases whereby the people might say, okay, you have to order this product to them first. Now this one doesn't happen in US that often. That's why I like targeting foreigners. But if you target your local people, some of them will say payment on delivery and all of that. So if it's a case of payment on delivery, you tell the person, okay, the product is going to come within so and so date. So you use your money to order this product, and when it comes, you deliver it to them. Now that is simply it about that point. Now the point number 3 is simply your profit plan. How do you tend to make profit from reselling those products? Now when it comes to making profit from it, there are several ways in which you can actually make profit from reselling those products. Now here is it. For example, the product we were picking on from Amazon simply costs how much? Now let me come over to Amazon. Now the product plus delivery fee, everything costs about $123. So now if the actual price of the product plus delivery, everything is $123, what I'm necessarily going to do is that, let me say you're running social media ads, and then you spent about $20 on social media ads. Now what you simply do is that what, $20 plus the actual price of the product, that will be what, $143. So what you simply do in this case is that what, you add your own profit percentage to it as a return for your work. So maybe you can also make it 163. Now in this 163, 20 will go for the ads that you invested, and then 10 becomes your profit. Now remember that $20 will not just help you sell one single product alone. It might help you generate a lot of sales. Maybe you can sell 4 or 5 with that $20 ad. That's why I advise Facebook ads, as they are more cheaper. If you set them up rightly, they are going to generate a lot of revenue for you. Now this is simply how this system works. Number 1, you find a product. Number 2, you plan a promotional method. So in my own case, I will be setting up a website, add this product to the website, and then generate the drive traffic to that particular website, which is where I listed the product. And then the point number 3 is that what, you summarize every single thing, the cost of the product, how much it costs you to actually promote the product to get the buyer. You add up everything and then add it to the actual price of the product, and then you sell it. You get your profit from it, and then the product gets delivered to those people. Now the thing is that you are not the one to deliver this product. The platform where you are going to order it from will do the delivery themselves. So if it's from AliExpress, you simply put the person details there. AliExpress will send it to the person. If it's from Alibaba, you put the person's details there. Alibaba will send it to the person, or whatever platform you get it from. So now that's simply it's all about this video. Hope you find this video helpful. Help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section.